Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade. First, navigate to the Etrade website or open their mobile app. You'll find a clear option to open an account. Next, select the account type that best suits your financial goals, whether it's a standard brokerage account or a retirement option like an IRA. Then, simply fill out the online application with your personal information, including your social security number. After reviewing everything for accuracy, submit your application. The process typically takes about 10 minutes. Once your Etrade account is open, the next step is to fund it. You have several convenient options. The most common is linking your bank account for electronic transfers, which usually takes a few business days. You can also deposit a check using the mobile app's photo feature or by mail. For quicker access to funds, a wire transfer is available, often processing on the same business day. Additionally, you can set up direct deposit or transfer an entire account from another firm. With funds in your account, you're ready to place your first trade. Begin by using the search bar to locate the specific stock or exchange-traded fund you want to buy or sell. Once you've found it, select your action and the number of shares. You'll then choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a precise price. Always double-check all the details on the trade ticket before submitting your order. Etrade offers robust tools to help you manage your investments effectively. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and account balances through the intuitive platform. Leverage their extensive research and market insights to make informed decisions. Etrade also provides a wealth of educational resources, including articles and webinars, to help you grow as an investor. For more active traders, platforms like Power Etrade offer advanced features. You can also set up customized alerts to stay on top of market changes and your investments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.